So we have lesser known functionality that's really incredible. You could extract a tooth from a optical scan model literally with a click. And I'll show you very quickly how to do that. This could be done, I'm doing this in Model Master. I've imported models. It could be done with a CT scan, without a CT scan. It could be done really in any module where we have the tooth panel and the tooth functionality. If you go down to the bottom of the panel, there's an option here for tooth extraction. Simply select the relevant model from which you would like to extract the tooth. Go ahead and click on the Extract Tooth button. Now what happens just now is that we've essentially segmented each of the crowns from the model. All you need to do is click on the tooth you want to extract, and boom, it's gone. You could do it again for another tooth, and boom, it's gone. Now, we have different functionality here to create the ponticovation, the radial deformation. If the checkbox is not checked, then Blue Sky Plan will run some sort of calculation and will create the ponticovation based on that. But if you want to control it, if you like to make it more shallow or less shallow, simply slide the slider accordingly, click the radial deformation button, and the next time you do an extraction, it will be with those settings. Of course, we have the undo button if you've extracted a tooth and you want to undo it. Once you've finished with the functionality, simply click clear segmentation, and you now have your model with the extracted tooth. If you want to close the models, if they're open, move over to model manipulation, click close model, and we now have an additional model created that's closed. So we could see that in surfaces. We could see our closed model. We have different settings in options and properties regarding the height of the closed model. We could repeat the process for the lower jaw, model manipulation, lower jaw, close model, and we now have an additional model for the lower jaw, which we could see right here as well.